Key ingredient to be a great chef, I think, is to have food ethics. If you don't respect food, I don't think you should be in this profession. My name is Sebastian Breitinger. I'm the food production teacher in this institute. I teach mostly continental cuisine. The special and the most unique topics in this course are actually topics which go again back to food ethics. You should have discipline. There is a lot of self-study required because we are continuously changing. The industry is changing continuously. We have new markets, new ingredients every time something or the other is coming up. Very important as well is the hands-on experience for the student, because this is a skill-based profession, and only with practice and practice and practice you will get where you need to be. We have an excellent infrastructure, as you see in whatever we have around. We try to be updated to the most modern machineries. We have a super library with very, very good books where students can really research, and these are books which you cannot just download from the internet. These are really books which you need to sit and study. In the second year, we start cooking more menus, where we go more into the fusion cooking as well between Indian and modern Indian cuisine. Bakery as well, we have first year on a basic and second year on a more elevated level.
I am Sujata Madhavan, and I am the Associate Professor at VMSIIHE, and I teach food production and bakery. To be a great baker, you have to first and foremost have a skill, understanding of the product. You have to keep updating that skill, and it's an ongoing learning process. They have to be inventive, and they have to create dishes. They have to have an event which they organize. Right from the beginning of planning the menu to what they are going to serve, along with what dishes, they plan, they do the costing, they do the marketing, and they also have to present it in a creative manner to the guest. It's definitely challenging, innovative, and the component of analyzing is there.
My name is VMSIIHE and I come from Goa. I was always passionate about cooking, and I always wanted to be a chef since I was a kid. So choosing the Culinary Arts program seemed like a clear choice.
My name is Alina and I'm from Kuwait. I chose this course because I want to become a chef and in the near future probably a Michelin inspector. first piece of advice that I ever received after being here is to maintain discipline and to enjoy, and as Chef Sebastian mentioned, welcome to hell.